Ever wished you could start fresh in Jira, with a perfectly clean slate, a blank board ready for you to organize your projects just the way you want? Today, I'll show you the simple trick to achieve exactly that, customizing your Jira filter to create a blank board view, giving you maximum flexibility. Let's dive in. First, locate the Filters button. It is usually at the top of your Jira board. Click on it to access the filter panel. Inside the filter panel, you will find a field to input or select a filter. This determines which issues are displayed on your board. This is where the magic happens. Click into the filter field. A window appears. This shows the filter's query, which is written in a specialized language known as JQL, or Jira Query Language. This query is what determines what Jira tickets show on the board. Take a look at your current filter query. It likely has options for what projects you are displaying. For a blank board, you want to clear out any existing project or status parameters. This will ensure that no issues will be displayed on the board when you begin. The easiest way to get a blank board is to remove any filter criteria. This includes removing project assignments, status constraints, or anything else. You can also type a simple query that will produce this effect. Now, remove all of the parameters or type in. This will create a blank slate for your board. Then, select Apply, and there you have it, a clean, blank Jira board, perfectly primed for your next project. You are now free to populate this board however you need to.